Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great. That's very good. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class. In today's class, we will be continuing with the topic that we started yesterday, that is days of the week, right? Okay, so how many days we have in a week? 7. Wonderful. Can you tell me their names? What is the first day? Monday, then Tuesday, then we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, right? Okay, and we also practiced writing the names of them as well, and we memorized their spellings as well, right? Okay, in today's class, we will be doing some more practice of that, and we will learn about the order, the exact order of them as well. That this does not happen that, let's say, in one week, Thursday comes after Tuesday. No, every time Wednesday comes after Tuesday, right? So we will talk about their order as well. We will learn their spellings and how to write that. So before moving over there, let's play a small activity. I'll be writing the names of the days over there, and I'll leave some blanks in it. You are supposed to tell me which is the alphabet which come in that blank. Okay, let's say. So who is going to tell me what are the alphabets in these two blanks? First, tell me what is the name of this day. It's Monday, right? Okay. So what comes in this blank? Oh, excellent. Yes, what comes in the second blank? It's D. Wonderful. So the day is Monday, right? Okay, let's look at this one. Yes. Can you tell me the name of this day? What is this? It's Tuesday. Wonderful. So what comes in the first blank? It's U. What comes in the next? Tues. Excellent. Day. Day. So this is Tuesday. Okay, let's do one more. What is this? Yes. Can you tell me what is this? It's Friday. Very good, Ahmed. And can you tell me what comes in the blanks? Yes, Aliza, you tell me what comes in the first blank. It's R. Excellent. Then FRI. What comes in the second blank? It's D. And here we have Friday. Okay, let's practice one more. Well, this is everybody's favorite day. And the spellings are also very easy. So who is going to tell me what is this? Sunday. Excellent. So over here comes U, and then we have D, and then Y. So this is Sunday or fun day. Why? Because on every Sunday we have a break from the school. Everybody have a leave from the offices. So what do? We enjoy in the houses. We relax. We get up late, right? That is why Sunday is also a fun day. Okay. Now let's watch an interesting video related to this to recall the names of the days, and then we will move forward together. Okay. Show me a thumbs up if the screen is visible. Okay, is it visible? Good.
There are 7 days in a week. Let's count them and just see. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4, 5, and 6. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. are 7 days in a week. Let's count them and just see. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4, 5, and 6. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And there are 7 days in a week. Oopsie! We forgot the best one, which is the 7th day of the week. It's Sunday and it's a treat. Yeah, we all love Sundays. There are 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week.
Okay, so how many days we have? We have 7 days in a week, right? Sorry. Okay. Now, because we have already memorized and revised what we have learned so far, so now I want all of you to please open your book, page number 88. This is page number 88. Everybody, please open this. We will be doing some more practice exercise of writing the names of days. Okay. So it says that over here there are some wonderful, lovely bees, and it says the first day of the week is, what is it? It's Monday. Excellent. And who is going to tell me the spellings of Monday? Monday. Day. Monday. Very good. Okay, let's do it abruptly. Who is going to tell me the fourth day of the week? Yes, Sarah, you tell me the fourth day of the week. Count them. What is the fourth day of the week? It's Thursday. Excellent. And right, can you tell me their spellings as well? Thursday. Day. Thursday. Okay. So the interesting thing about all of the names is that they all end with day, right? Exactly. Okay. Who is going to tell us about the sixth day of the week? Yes. Hurry up. Raise your hands. Yes, Hamza, you tell me. It's Saturday. Excellent. And what are the spellings of Saturday? Very good. Okay. And who is going to tell us about the second day of the week? It's Tuesday. Very good. And what are the spellings of Tuesday? Tuesday. Day. Tuesday. Very good. Okay. Yes, Aliza, you tell me about the third day of the week. It's Wednesday. Excellent. And remember, when we were learning the spellings of Wednesday, I told you that if it is difficult for you to learn it or spell it once, what you can do, that you can break the word into small chunks so that you can easily memorize it, right? Now it would be wed, ness, and day. So there are three chunks in which we can break down this spelling, and now you can easily memorize it, right? Okay. We are left with the fifth day. What is the fifth day of the week? It's Friday. Excellent. And what are the spellings of Friday? Friday. Day. Friday. Excellent. Okay. And the last but not the least is the fun day of the week. Which is it? Sunday. And Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Excellent. Okay. Now on the next page, there is some interesting exercise which says that write the names of the days that comes before it. Okay. So what comes before Sunday? It's Saturday. Excellent. Write it down. What comes before Friday? It's Thursday. Excellent. What comes before Monday? It's Sunday. Very good, Asad. What comes before Wednesday? It's Tuesday. Very well done. Okay, let's move forward. Now the remaining students will tell us about what comes after. Okay, you are supposed to tell what comes after these days. So what comes after Thursday? It's Friday. Very good. What comes after Saturday? It's Sunday. Excellent. What comes after Tuesday? It's Wednesday. Very well done. So all of you are done up till now? Excellent. Okay. Now before ending the class, I want you to tell me this. There is this interesting activity that we will be playing together. The activity is that you are supposed to tell me how many days of the week, how many names. Names of the days of the week starts with S, with the alphabet S. Yes. Memorize all of them and then tell me how many of them start with S. Two. Can you tell me their names? Saturday and Sunday. Very good. Okay. So, who is going to tell me the name of the days of the week which starts with T? Yes? There are two of them, right? Again, two. So, can you tell me their names again? They are Tuesday and Thursday. Excellent. Okay, now think about it. How many names of the days of the week start with M? Think about it. Only one. And what is that? It's Monday. Okay, is there any name of the days of the week which starts with W? Yes. And what is that? It's Wednesday. Excellent. And the last, we have a name of the days of the week which starts with F. Can you tell me their name? It's Friday. Very good. So, do you guys enjoyed it? Right? Okay, so that was all for today. We are done with this topic. Inshallah, from Monday onwards, we will be starting with a new topic. So, what I want you is, because in tomorrow's class, you will be having a weekly assessment. So, do revise each and everything, whatever we have covered in this week. Practice it at your home and let me know if you have any confusion. Okay. So, I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.